students. Hope all of you are doing well. I am Professor A.G. Sabre from Residential Junior College, Ahmednagar, presenting you next topic, classification of business from the subject Organization of Commerce and Management for 11th standard. Students, through earlier video lectures, we learned the concept of business, its features, objectives, role of profit in the business, etc. Now today, we are going to learn the classification of the concept of business. Students, are you remembering the definition of business? Try to recall the definition. Recognized? Okay. We learned that business means production and distribution of goods and services. Production means actual making of goods and distribution includes distribution of these goods in the market with the help of different distributors. This production is taken with the help of manpower and machine, and these products are produced for fulfilling the human wants. We need various types of goods in our day-to-day life. Some of these goods are consumer goods, some are agricultural goods, some are capital goods. These goods are produced through various manufacturing industries. So, students, today through this video lecture, we are going to learn this classification of industries. See, the chart showing this classification is in front of you. First of all, these business activities are classified as industry and commerce. Industry covers production side and commerce covers distribution side. Today, through this video lecture, we can learn different types of industries only. Here, this industry once again classified as primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. Let us start with the concept of industry first. Industry. Students, in our day-to-day life, we need various kinds of goods. These goods includes consumer goods and capital goods. Consumer goods means the goods which we consume or use. For example, pen, pencil, milk, tea, other edible items. And in case of capital goods, these goods includes furniture, machinery, plant, etc. In case of consumer goods, whenever these goods are finished, we have to purchase immediately from the market, and in case of capital goods, once we purchase it, we use these products for long time. For example, in case of home appliances like TV, refrigerator, furniture, etc., we can't purchase these products time to time. Once we purchase it, we make a long time use of it. These goods are called as capital goods. From where these goods are made available? Exactly. These goods are produced at production center is called as industry. Industry is the place where with the help of manpower and machine, goods are produced. As per products variations, the goods are produced in small industry or in large scale industry, or even some products are produced from home also. Here, raw material is converted into usable finished products. Actual making of product is done in industry. Industry creates form utility in products. Form utility means in industry, raw material is converted into usable finished products, means it gives new look, usable nature to that product which can consume. For example, in case of tomato ketchup, tomatoes are used as raw material, and in industry with the help of machine and further processing, it will converted into tasty tomato ketchup. Okay, are you getting, students? Now we are going to learn different types of industries. Each product is different from other product. So according to nature, size, usages, these products are produced through different industries. Firstly, industry is mainly classified as primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. Let us see the primary industry first. Primary industries are concerned with the nature. The products produced by primary industry cannot used as it is. It requires further processing to bring them in usable conditions. With the help of nature, agriculture products are produced. The substances like land, air, water are used by human beings in different forms. These all are products produced by primary industry. The output of primary industry is used as input of the secondary industries as raw material. These primary industries are further classified as agricultural industry, extractive industry and genetic industry. Let us discuss these types of primary industries one by one. A. Agriculture industry. Students, to survive or to live our life, every human being needs food. This food is available by cultivating land or farming. That means fruits, vegetables, other food grains fulfills the basic need of food, which comes from farming industry, is called as agriculture industry. Some agricultural products are used as it is, but some agriculture products requires further processing for its use. For example, fruits, vegetables are consumed as it is by consumers, but cotton requires further processing for its use. B. Extractive industry. This industry extracts the substances concerned from natural source, that is, soil, air, water. Extracting oil and minerals from beneath the earth, fishing and forestry, etc. also includes in extractive industry. Soil, stones, etc. are extracted from mountains. Sand is collected from rivers, etc. are used for constructing a house or building. Oil and minerals are extracted from underground, which is used by different consumers. Different fisheries are collected from sea or river are all the examples of extractive industry. C. Genetic industry. Genetic industries are those industries which are engaged in reproduction and multiplication of plants and animals. For example, poultry farming, plant and nursery, animal husbandry, horticulture, etc. Many of farmers are engaged in correlated business activities like milk collection and processing, poultry farming, which includes breeding and raising birds, typically chickens, turkeys, ducks and geese, for the purpose of harvesting their meat or eggs for human consumption. Horticulture, which is related to agriculture of plants mainly for food, material, comfort and beauty for decoration, etc. Students, these all are about the primary industry. Now, we are going to discuss about the secondary industry. Secondary industries are called secondary because they depend upon primary industry for raw material. They convert the raw material provided by primary industry into usable finished goods. For example, various fruits are provided by primary industry are used for making jam or jelly. Cotton provided by primary industry is converted into usable, fashionable cloths, etc. Now let us discuss the types of secondary industry. A. Manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industries are those industries which convert raw material into finished goods with the help of manpower and machine power. The output of this industry can be consumed directly. These industries produced consumer goods as well as capital goods. B. Construction industry. As the name indicates, this industry is engaged in construction of building, house, dams, bridges, roads, tunnels, canals, etc. This is the only industry which creates immovable wealth. That means production taken through this industry is sold at the same place where it is made. Okay. Now let us discuss the third main type of industry as tertiary industry. Tertiary industries provide supportive services to primary and secondary industries. Supportive services like transport, warehousing, banking, communication, insurance, etc. are provided by tertiary industries. These tertiary sector can flourish only if primary and secondary industries are doing well in the economy. These tertiary industries or these supportive services which we will be discussing through next video as the auxiliaries of trade. Students, today through this video lecture we learned different types of industries. Hope you understood it well. Stay home and study from home safely. Thank you.